Welcome guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair this Lenovo headphones to your iPhone. Okay, so first of all we have to click and hold this button until this indicator right here starts blinking blue and white. As you can see, there it is. So release the button and right now just go for the settings, go for the Bluetooth settings, and then turn on Bluetooth by tapping on this switcher. Next, you have to wait until the headphones pops on the list, so just be patient. Select them from the list. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course, subscribe to our channel.